Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As we all love our skin and hair most, so today's video is all about daily skincare at home and showing you the process. So let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share some beauty tips and some skincare. What kind of products I'm using? People frequently asking me about facial skincare, how they will care their skin at their home and in this lockdown period, how to pamper their skin. Actually they don't go in any salon and any parlor, so how to pamper their skin at the home. So today I'm gonna share all these things in this video. So many people asking me about how I pamper my skin and how I care my skin, what kind of products I'm using. So today in this video I'm gonna share all these details, so stay tuned and do watch till the end. So let's see. First I'm going to wet my whole face. Then I'm going to use this Johara cleanser. This is very nice and I'm using it twice daily. Show you how to use. You have to use it this quantity. Now add some water and then you have to massage it gently. So after completing this massage, you have to wash your face. I have washed my face. Next, I'm going to use this face scrub from Johara, and its name is Instant Radiant Face Scrub. So you have to use it twice in a week. You have to take this quantity and you have to massage it like this. Now, and you have to massage with your fingertips gently and slowly. You have to massage for 2 minutes. These products are not just cosmetics, these are cosmeceuticals. All these cosmetics have medicinal value. So 2 minutes are over. Now I'm going to wash it. So I've washed it. Now I'm going to soak my face. like this. I'm going to use this toner. This Jovees toner, rose toner. You can use tea tree toner also if you have sensitivity on your face. So have to apply this like this on my whole face, and I have to do like this. This is for absorbance. After this absorbance of this toner, I'm going to use this night cream. This is PhytoBright night cream from Johara. The bottle is very nice. You have to take this amount. After applying this cream, you have to massage it gently. So the products which I have used in this video, if you want to buy these products, then I have mentioned all the details in the description box. You will get all the details from the description box only. So all you can see, my skin is ready, and all these things, all these products I'm using in daily basis. The scrubber which I'm using this twice in a week. The cleanser I'm using twice in a day. Night cream I'm using at the bedtime. It's a very nice product, and all these products are very nice. Thank you Sammy Direct to gift us so many good products and so many luxurious products for our skin. So I'm really happy to use all these products, and it's very nice and make my skin so soft, so smooth, and so silky. Thank you everyone to watch this full video, and stay tuned for next video. And if you like this video, then do like, comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notified. So bye bye, stay tuned.